Artificial intelligence stocks will power significantly higher over the next decade. As we've sprinted into this smart world, the amount and speed of data that AI algorithms have access to has exploded, and it's making those AI algos more capable than ever. In 2020, the world produced about 47 zettabytes of data. That number is expected to grow by more than 45x to 2,142 zettabytes of data by 2035. My favorite way to play the AI revolution is through AI software companies, since they are more specialized and singularly focused, and therefore offer higher upside potential. Let's dive in. Here are the stocks to buy for the dawn of global AI dominance. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. It's October 1950. Alan Turing, the genius who cracked the Enigma code and helped end World War II, has just introduced a novel concept. It's called the Turing test, and it's aimed at answering the fundamental question: can machines think? The world laughs. Machines think for themselves? Not possible. However, the Turing test sets in motion decades of research into the emerging field of artificial intelligence. This research is conducted in the world's most prestigious labs by some of the world's smartest people. Collectively, they're working to create a new class of computers and machines that can, indeed, think for themselves. Fast forward 70 years. AI is everywhere. It's in your phones. What do you think powers Siri? How does a phone recognize your face? It's in your applications. How does Google Maps know directions and optimal routes? How does it make real-time changes based on traffic? And how does Spotify create hyper-personalized playlists or Netflix recommend movies? AI is on your computers. How does Google suggest personalized search items for you? How do websites use chatbots that seem like real humans? As it turns out, the world shouldn't have laughed back in 1950. The great Alan Turing ended up creating a robust foundation upon which 7 decades of groundbreaking research has compounded. Ultimately, it resulted in self-thinking computers and machines not just being a thing, but being everything. Understanding AI. AI is really just a catch-all term for machine learning and natural language processing models that learn from themselves and get better and smarter over time. Those models are entirely informed by data. Basically, the more data they have, the more they can learn, the better the models get, and the more capable AI becomes. Indeed, in the AI world, data is everything. Think of it this way. If AI were a car, data is its fuel. The data powers the AI model. It helps it get from point A, an instruction or a command, to point B, an action. From this perspective, AI models are about to be injected with a whole bunch of fuel. The global volume and granularity of data is exploding right now. That's mostly because every object in the world is becoming a data-producing device. Over the past 20 years, we have seen a significant shift toward the smart world. Dumb phones have become smartphones, and dumb cars have become smart cars. Dumb apps have become smart apps, and dumb watches have become smart watches. These devices have all begun to generate large amounts of data, like phone usage data, in-car driving data, consumer preference data, and fitness and activity data. As we've sprinted into this smart world, the amount and speed of data that AI algorithms have access to has exploded, and it's making those AI algos more capable than ever. AI's explosive acceleration. And guess what? The world isn't going to take any steps back in terms of this smart pivot. No, we love our smartphones, smart cars, and smart watches too much. Instead, society will accelerate in this transition. In 2020, the world produced about 47 zettabytes of data. That number is expected to grow by more than 45x to 2,142 zettabytes of data by 2035. Let's go back to our process: more data, better machine learning and natural language processing models, smarter AI. Thus, as the volume of data produced soars more than 45x over the next few years, machine learning and natural language processing models will get 45x better, more or less, and AI machines will get 45x smarter, more or less. And as my friends in the AI and robotics fields like to remind me, most things a human does, a machine will be able to do better, faster, and cheaper. If not now, then soon. Given the advancements AI has made over the past few years with the help of data and the huge flood of data set to come online over the next few years, I'm inclined to believe them. ChatGPT is just the start. Eventually, and inevitably, The world will be run by hyper-efficient and hyper-intelligent AI. I'm not alone in thinking this. Gartner predicts that 69% of routine office work will be fully automated by 2024, while the World Economic Forum has said that robots will handle 52% of current work tasks by 2025. The AI revolution is coming. And it's going to be the biggest revolution you've ever seen in your lifetime. The final word. Now the question remains, what's the best way to play the AI revolution? The blue-chip tech giants are all making inroads with AI. Buying their stocks guarantees you high-quality exposure to the AI revolution. I'm talking Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Adobe, and Apple. The picks and shovels chip makers are also a solid broad exposure play. NVIDIA and Advanced Micro Devices come to mind as top choices there. But my favorite way to play the AI revolution is through AI software companies, since they are more specialized and singularly focused, and therefore offer higher upside potential. In fact, one of the best ways to play this revolution is with an enterprise AI software company that is essentially democratizing applications so that any company of any size can scale AI capability throughout the enterprise. With this company leading the way, all of these high-quality stocks will power significantly higher over the next decade as the AI revolution revs into hypergrowth mode. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.